All right, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny.
I'm
And
Dylan.
if you're new here, we're all about education and entertainment in relation to the stock market. So if you like this kind of content, subscribe below. Today we're just going to briefly talk about all the hype and the drama in the market right now. The market's been doing this whole Chicken Little thing. The news headlines love it. Everything's crashing. That's it. Everything's over. The greatest bull run in history is coming to an end. We're going to have 20 years of just negative real world returns. You're constantly bombarded by these messages, and it's just crazy. It's you have to just drown out the noise and just do your kind of investing style. Dylan and I have different investing styles. I'm more a value oriented guy. At least I try to be. Trying to analyze the company and look at what the company produces in terms of earnings and use that to guide whether or not I want to invest my hard-earned dollars with it. Dylan does more chart analysis and stuff like that, and it has more kind of growth mentality. But ultimately, the big thing is you have to know that there's always going to be people that disagree with you, and you have to have the confidence in your own decision-making skills to stick with it, right? Yeah. I mean, Dylan and I disagree about stocks all the time.
Yeah, pretty much any growth company.
Yeah, except for Alibaba,
Yeah, that's fair. That's a solid buy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but you read Alibaba's financials are fantastic, and you'll see people talking about, there's all this delisting risk, and I'll never buy a company out of China, and man, you just have to know your numbers and be happy with the decision you made and live with the results, or you can just throw it all in S&P 500 index fund and just ride it out.
You really could just do that, to be honest. The S&P 500 is killing it, so.
Yeah, it is. You do own 2% Tesla when you do that, though. So then you got to ask, is Tesla value? Do I want to put 2%?
Yes, it is. 100% it is. And I'm a growth guy.
Yeah.
I wouldn't touch Tesla with anything.
I love it.
So, basically, everyone's freaking out about this buy. Okay. You want to go to the chart real quick?
Yeah.
So, if we look at January from where we started, we're here. The SPY is opened at 368. Dude, we're at 407 after a very minor correction. Also, a correction is usually 10% to 20%. So that would mean 42 was 380-ish. So all the way down here. Okay, we're this is a very good trending stock. I think everyone would invest in this. It's constantly going up. I don't know why everyone's freaking out.
Yeah.
I'm leveraged. I have 40% margin, and I lost $3,000 a day. I'm still not worried. I'm fine. It's, I don't know why everyone's so nervous. Then you'd be like, all right, well, Dylan, look at the cues.
Yeah.
Same thing, man. We were here. What is this? 314. We're still positive after a correction. I mean, a true correction from the high 342, 34 would be, around here. We're still not even there. We're not even close. I don't know why everyone's being so nervous right now.
Yeah, honestly, I kind of love market volatility a little bit because, you have to, as a value-oriented kind of guy, I'm looking at the business, and the business doesn't change what they're producing or how well their business is running on a daily basis.
No, it just makes it cheaper to buy.
Exactly. Sometimes it does. The market gives you opportunities when stuff like this happens. Short-term kind of thinking and market sentiment can really kind of give you an opening to buy a great company at a good price.
Yeah, corrections are healthy. It can't go up forever. You wouldn't buy if it never goes down, then it's going to be terrifying, and then the VIX index is going to increase. Granted, according to Fidelity, 13 to 17-year-olds can now start to invest. So I think it's interesting. Roblox is about to be insane. And any company that makes chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
It's going to be
chicken tendies, Dylan. It's chicken
tendies, my bad.
Yeah,
chicken tendies.
Exactly. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. We just wanted to be a little bit, give you our thoughts on what we're seeing in the market right now.
Yeah. Also, we came up today on volume. I wouldn't be too worried.
So it's a swing trader in him.
Yeah.
I wasn't worried before he said that.
I was a little bit worried. Margin.
Yeah, nice. Well, thanks for tuning in.